Hi YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. This is my second video ever and I'm still drunk. Anyways, and like I said in my first video, I'm actually a pretty decent cook. I'm a home cook. I'm not a professional cook, but I know how to cook some stuff. I know my shit around the kitchen. Anyways, I made a traditional island dish called poke, which is usually poo-poo for drinking, which usually means snack, right? For drinking or party or whatever. Is this what it looks like? Ugh. It looks messy, I know, but it's actually very, very, oh no, delicious, tasty. It's raw fish with some mixed ingredients, which I probably will tell you eventually. But right now, I'm just so fucking lazy. Hey, but I made it, and that's all that matters. So here we go. Mm. Mm. One of the best. I mean, holy sh. Hold on. I need a moment for my greatness. I'm sorry. Oh my god, that was so good. Oh, I promised myself I wouldn't cry. That was so good. Oh my god, that was so delicious. So basically, what it is raw fish, which you know, diced up into little cubes. Use sesame oil, salt, soyu, and some other different variety of ingredients. Island style cooking. It's not necessarily cooking, but it's more of prepping some type of meal that you can snack on. Like for instance, when you're fucking drunk and you got nothing to eat and you just, hey, it's there, and it fucking tastes awesome. And it's healthy. It's full of protein, you know. So this fishy dish, can get you hooked. Sometimes the best way to assess a certain situation is to approach it raw. Fuck, I'm drunk.